The iScan comes equipped with an HD camera that allows you to acquire 2D images and share them with the dental laboratory. Click on the HD camera button and move the tip to the area. If the tip is placed in location, acquire the image by softly pressing the button on the i500 console. You can change the view style and enlarge the obtained image. Click the arrow icons to watch a previous or next image. Select an image and click on the recycle bin to delete. The selected image and click on the share icon to share or save. If the process of choosing the image to be obtained and shared is completed, close the HD Cameras window. Finish the scan by pressing Complete and end the iScan. You can check the images uploaded, shared on Medit Link. You can use the images as referential information when placing your order for dental prosthesis with the dental laboratory by sharing them.